Without a doubt, AI is here to stay. I'm going to say it again. AI is here to stay. So if you're a business owner, you need to quickly figure out how you can integrate AI within your business. Because if you integrate AI into your business, you'll be able to become more productive, and you'll also become more profitable because you're more productive. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the AI tools that I like that every business owner should consider integrating into their business. If you stick around till the end, I'm going to share with you the ultimate AI tool guide that my team and I created that gives you insight on all the different AI tools that are out there. It's much more comprehensive than what I'm going to be sharing in this video. So you definitely want to stick around to the end so you can grab that. And before I dive into the video, make sure you like and subscribe this channel so that whenever I drop amazing content, you'll be notified. Before I dive into my favorite tools, I just want to make sure it's clear that although there's so many advantages in using AI, it also does come with some downsides. So make sure you really look into the advantages and the disadvantages of integrating whatever AI tool that you're going to be integrating into your business. And now that that's out of the way, let's dive into the list. So the first AI tool that I'm going to share is going to be Canva. I love Canva because of its numerous capability. I'm going to start with my new favorite, which is Magic Write. And if you have a Canva account, you click try it out. What Magic Write allows you to do is it allows you to create these documents that are highly visual. What you could do is you could put 5 words or more to describe what you want to write, and then it'll write it for you, just like this. Take a look. So I just wrote, create an ebook on YouTube videos, hit generate, and what the AI tool will do is it'll just start generating content for you. Obviously, you can change the font. I don't really like that font, so let's go with something a little bit more readable. Like that, and then boom. So create an ebook on YouTube channel, the ultimate guide to YouTube videos. It's written an introduction and getting started and all that stuff. So you can already see that you're using AI to create something that you could share as value to your audience. The cool thing I like about Magic Write is that you can come here, right, and you can just click add, and you can then put a design if you want, a subheading, table, whole bunch of stuff. So let's just do a design. So you can see the AI tool is now pulling up a design. So maybe let's just do this. And if you want to kind of like leverage a template or a picture or something of that sort, you could do that. So I'm just gonna use this as an example and then just click save, and then boom, you've already added a design into your document. And then you can do some other cool features in there as well. So if you want to turn that into a heading, you want to put a table, you want to put a pie chart. So there's multiple things that you could do with this, and I like it. You can throw in your logo if you want. Boom, Kuda Biza. It's definitely a tool that I would recommend in addition to Canva itself, which, by the way, Canva has so many different things you could do with it, right? You can create documents, which is what we're doing. You can create your Instagram stories, Instagram posts. You could even do videos, websites, things that you want to print, and so much more. So I highly recommend any business owner to definitely find a way to incorporate Canva. They have different plans as well. So you can just come in and check out the different plans that they have. I use the Pro account, but you can have a free one. And then you can also have an account where if it's a team, you could also do that. They have a bunch of stuff for education, and there's also a lot of learning resources. So you can literally self-teach yourself how to become a Canva Pro and create some amazing creations for your business. The next AI tool is 11 Labs. Now, what I like about 11 Labs is that it has the ability to generate voice for you. It also has the capability to clone your voice. Now, if you're a business owner and you're creating video assets, you could come and use some of these AI voices so that you don't have to pay a voiceover artist all the time when you're creating some of your videos, or to actually pay an actual person to do that for you, right? Another cool thing is that there's so many different languages as well. So anyway, what I like about 11 Labs is that you could create videos with it, audiobooks. I have a book that I wrote in 2020 and I still don't have an audiobook. So I'm actually going to use this tool to create my audiobook. If you create ebooks and different assets that you just want to convert text to voice, 11 Labs will enable you to do that. You have a chat bot that is, helping you with some of your customer service. You can then put in your knowledge base, and then 11 Labs will then be able to put a voice element to it. So you can see the speech synthesis. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. American English, you can pick an accent from the South, all these different things. So let's hear Giovanni's accent.
Believes the impossible.
Right, it's.
I have often regretted my speech, never my silence.
So you can see there's so many things that you could do with it. And then in terms of pricing, they have multiple models. So the starter one, it's $1 per month, for the first month, but then it's $5. So it's actually quite affordable. And then if you're a creator and you have a lot of characters that you're doing, $22 per month. So I think it's actually quite affordable, and there's also a free plan that you could use. That's also helpful. But if you're doing the voice cloning, you want to have the creator account or the starter account. So if you're really cloning your own voice, you really want to do the professional account. Now, the next tool I'm going to share with you can actually work hand in hand with this tool. So sit back and take a look. So the next one is Synthesia. And what I like about this is that it's an AI video generation platform. So you can turn your text into videos in minutes. So you can select a talking head and then put in your text, and then it'll create the video for you. If you have an online course, if you're doing customer service, even for marketing, you can create marketing videos with this. I think this is a pretty cool and easy tool where you come up with your copy in ChatGPT, you throw it into this tool, and then you create your video. One of the other things that I like is that you can select your different avatars, right? They have a wide range of avatars, about 140 right now. What I also love is that they have so many integrations. So let me show you some of the integrations that they have. So they have all these integrations where you can embed the video and things like that. So a lot of big brands are using it. So remember, as I was telling you, like if you're not using AI to help you become more profitable and more productive, I don't know what you're doing, right? A lot of these big brands are doing exactly that. So if you're an entrepreneur in whatever capacity, you need to figure out how you can start using some of these tools to help you perform tasks faster, quicker, and also keep more money as profit. If you look into all the different features, right? Free AI voice generator, it can do text to video, text to speech, scripts to video. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that you could do with it, which is pretty cool. They have a lot of use cases that you can kind of like learn about and see, and if there's one that really aligns and resonates with you, definitely use it. And they have a ton of resources. So as you're getting started, if you need how-to guides, they have a lot of how-to guides that can really help you in getting started, and you can just really like learn how to use that. Now, if you want to make money working with them, they have an affiliate program. So if you actually have an audience, or you actually use it and it looks pretty cool, you can make money doing it. So they have a 20% commission on all personal plans within the first 12 months. So I highly recommend that you do it. I'm actually signing up as an affiliate as well and putting it into some of my email marketing sequences. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you as well. And then the next one is ChatGPT. And I'm not talking about the 3.5 version. I'm talking about ChatGPT 4, mainly because you can add in a whole bunch of plugins, and they have a plugin store where you can come in and look for all these different plugins that you can add in, like link reader, right? Where you just put in a web page or YouTube link, and then it'll give you a summary of what's there. Make a sheet. Can generate a file based on the information that you put in. You want to book travel and all these other things, you can have AI do that all for you. And right now I have a bunch of stuff in here, like let's say this one, stories. This will literally write a children's storybook for you, and then you can actually then go create it and put it on Amazon in like 5-10 minutes, right? So let's just do a quick prompt, right? Make a content strategy, right? You can see the tool is now generating ideas. Obviously my prompt wasn't as thorough as I usually do it because I'm just doing it for illustrative purposes, but you can see the power of ChatGPT where it gives you an objective, a target audience, and all these ideas, and you can then prompt it to really refine this strategy. So within a few minutes you can have a really well thought out, really well baked strategy for your campaign. And I've created email campaigns on ChatGPT that have generated thousands of dollars, and it only took me perhaps 5 minutes to get the copy at most. You know, me putting in the prompt, running ChatGPT, and maybe going back and forth to refine a couple of things, and then boom, throw it into my email service provider. We send out the email and we generate thousands of dollars through that. So if you're a business owner and you're not leveraging AI to do this, I don't know what else you could do, because before I actually had a marketing agency that would create some of these email strategies for us. We were paying them thousands of dollars a month because on their team they had to have a copywriter. They also had to have the account lead who's kind of like talking to us every single day. They have the person who's gonna upload the email, an analyst who's running the data analytics as to how we're performing. So ChatGPT has basically enabled us to reduce our marketing overhead significantly, and the quality of work is as good, if not better, than what we would have gotten from an agency. So definitely look into using ChatGPT, and if you can afford it, for like $20 a month, get the one where you can get the plugin, which is the ChatGPT 4. Now, the last one that I'm going to share is RepurposeDoio, and we all know that content is king, and if you're a lady, content is queen. So your ability to create one long form piece of content, but able to chop it up into multiple versions that can go to different platforms is key. And that's what this platform does, right? So they make it easy for you to automate your content, and one post can go into multiple platforms. As you can see, you put in one piece of content and then it goes into all these different places. They have a free trial, no credit card required. If you're a video creator, if you're a TikToker, podcaster, or just in business trying to do this for your business, this is the tool that I highly recommend that you take a look into. So they have all these use cases on how you can use it. They also have an affiliate program, and the pricing is relatively good. 33 ways to repurpose your video. I mean, guys, these are tools that are out there that you could use to help build your business. So definitely take a look into this one as well. So if you've gotten to this part, it means that you've stuck till the end. As I promised, I have the ultimate AI tool guide for you. So the link is below in the description, so you can see all the different AI tools. So you see the name, you see the link, and then there's a little description there. You know, we were talking about Canva Magic, right? There you have it. We're talking about ChatGPT and all those other ones. So all of this is in here. If I didn't highlight a tool that works for your business, I highly recommend that you go grab this free Ultimate AI Tool Guide and then just use it, check it out, and then see if there's something that really works for you. Mid-Journey, it allows you to create art. It's pretty cool. I've used it before, and you can see all these different tools that are out there. So Otter AI, it transcribes your audio. So it could be a cool tool if you're writing a book or writing a speech to use. I've used it multiple times when I was writing my book as well as my speech. I highly recommend that you definitely get this free resource, RepurposeDoio, if you're trying to create short form content from one long form video. Definitely worth looking into as well. So anyway, go grab it and then let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the list that I shared with you guys, and also the link below will get you to the Ultimate AI Tools Guide, where I have more AI tools that you can look into and you can evaluate and potentially use for your business. In the comments, let me know if there's an AI tool that I didn't mention that you think is worth a review. Let me know if there's other content you'd like to see me create that will help you with your business so that you can grow your business. Signing out, Kuda Biza. I'll talk to you guys soon.